Let us go through a method of Castigliano's. There is a problem number 1, to find out redundant forces using Castigliano's method. Let me read out the problem. A continuous beam of two equal spans is uniformly loaded over its entire length. Find magnitude R of middle reaction by Castigliano's method. You can see a uniformly loaded continuous beam ABC with UDL W. Span of AB is L and span of BC is L. Now total load acting downwards. W is the UDL, L plus L, 2L is the length. So total load acting downwards is equal to 2WL. Now let me mark the reaction here as R. Number of unknowns in this case is 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. And number of equilibrium equations equal to sigma V equal to 0 and sigma M equal to 0, that is 2. Therefore, static indeterminacy is 3 minus 2. Static indeterminacy is this 3 minus 2, which is equal to 1. That one force which is redundant, that we can take as the middle reaction which we have to find out, and it is marked as R. So 2WL is acting downwards, R is acting upwards. R is a redundant force which we should find out, that is acting upwards. Therefore, net force acting downwards equal to 2WL minus R. Now let us find reactions at the supports A and support C. Reactions at A and C equal to this 2WL minus R divided by 2, because the beam is symmetric and uniformly loaded. 2WL minus R by 2, which comes to WL minus R by 2. Now let me tell about the method of least work. According to the method of least work, suppose U is strain energy and R is redundant force, then dou U by dou R should be equal to 0. That is the stable state of equilibrium. Dou U by dou R equal to 0, where U is strain energy and R is redundant force. Then equation for U is m square dx by 2EI. That means dou U by dou R equal to 2m dou m by dou x, dou m by dou R dx by 2EI. Okay, m square dx by 2EI, dou U by dou R equal to 2m, m square derivative 2m, dou m by dou R dx by 2EI. 2 cancels out and you get like this, m dou m by dou R dx by EI. Now for this beam AC also we can write like this. Our span is AC, so dou U AC by dou R equal to 0. Again, see here, AB and BC are of the same span L. So dou U AC by dou R equal to For the span portion AB, integral 0 to L m dou m by dou r dx into 1 by EI. Let me put this 1 by EI here. That plus for the span BC, 1 by EI integral 0 to L m dou m by dou r dx, which comes to, both these are equal, so 2 integral 0 to L m dou m by dou r dx by EI. Let us find an equation for m. Let me draw the continuous beam once again. Beam loaded with UDL, supports A and support C. This is support B. Let me take a section at a distance x from A. X from A. You know the supports WL minus R by 2. Support reactions WL minus R by 2. We have found it earlier. Now let me write an equation for M as per this beam. M equal to WL minus R by 2. When I am taking section to this point, WL minus R by 2 into X minus W X square by 2. Then dou M by dou R equal to how much? Dou M by dou R equal to integral of this thing WL minus R by 2 into X minus WX square by 2. Only the term in R remains. So dou M by dou R equal to negative X by 2. Now let me put this first equation as equation number 1. Let us substitute M and dou M by dou R in equation number 1. So you will get like this. Dou U AC by dou R equal to 2 by EI integral 0 to L WL minus R by 2 into X minus WX square by 2, and dou M by dou R equal to negative X by 2. Substitute that also, dx. Now let us multiply, integrate. We will get like this, equal to 2 by EI. Then this into this, integrated, negative X by 2. Negative X by 2 into this term. So X by 2 becomes X by 2 into X square by 2. When that is integrated, you will get X cube by 6. So the term comes like this. Negative WL minus R by 2 into X cube by 6 plus W into X square into X cube. When you integrate that, that becomes X raised to 4 by 4. So W X raised to 4 divided by 4 into 4. Limits let us put as 0 to L. Limit is 0 to L, so here also 0 to L. Let us substitute the limits. We will get like this. Negative W L raised to 4 by 6 plus R L cube by 12 plus W L raised to 4 by 16. Then this and this we can take the LCM and we can find out R. R solves out as 5 by 4. This is equal to 0. Okay, dou U AC by dou R is equal to 0. So this term is equal to 0. So R you get as 5 by 4 WL.